Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser is using too much CPU, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to fix high CPU usage and make your browser run smoother. First, close unnecessary tabs. Each open tab uses system resources, and too many of them can quickly increase CPU usage. Next, open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac and check which processes are using the most CPU. If Vivaldi is consuming too much, identify what's running inside it. Now go to Vivaldi's Extensions menu and disable all extensions temporarily. A faulty or heavy extension is often the main reason for high CPU usage. After that, enable Task Manager inside Vivaldi if needed and check which tab or process is using the most resources. Then close or reload that tab. So if the issue continues, clear your browsing cache and cookies from the Settings menu. Corrupted or overloaded cache data can also cause performance spikes. Next, make sure hardware acceleration is enabled in Vivaldi settings. This can help shift some processing load from your CPU to your GPU. Finally, update Vivaldi to the latest version and restart your browser to apply all changes. And that's it. Yeah, these steps fix most high CPU usage issues in Vivaldi and help keep your system running efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.